It's feeding time for the little yellow-vented bulbul and the little baby finch that was abandoned, as well as, yeah, I know you're hungry, as well as this little monster, this cockatiel, rescued from drowning by the amazing Phil's missus, because he couldn't fly too well. Yeah, I know. Come on, baby. This is the bulbul. Come on, that's it. Come on, you can fly. Come on. Come on. Come on. The bulbul. Come on, you donkey. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Lazy, are you? Huh? Come on. There you go. Alright. So we have the yellow-vented bulbul and the little baby finch and the cockatiel. And the parrots that we have. Popeye is making a noise behind me. It's Popeye and Pumpkin, and Peanut and Tommy all go berserk when I start feeding the babies, because they all love this baby food. So when I'm finished with the babies, I have to go around and give this lot some as well. Cockatiels are the messiest eaters around. Almost as bad as doves. Excuse me. And not only that, they have the most annoying feed me cry that just never stops. There you go. Okay, baby. You know. I always feed with syringes rather than using a tube that just dumps all the food straight into their stomach or their crop. Little bit often, and I use a syringe like this because you've got a lot more control over it, particularly when you have to feed tiny little bits like to the finch, because if you push too much in at a time, it risks going down to the lungs. That's down in the wrong track. Come on, baby, you're not finished yet. The little bulbul is starting to fly quite well. She can fly about 3 meters now. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. There you go. Would you like some more? No? Yes? There you go. The thing with cockatiels is they need to bob their head. But if you don't control it, it's impossible to feed them. It goes all over the place. So I found that just by gently holding their head in place, they can still bob up and down. And I feed them from the left, little bits at a time, just to make sure it goes down the right track. And yes, I know I'm breaking some of the rules by using the same syringe for all 3 birds, but the wild bird was quarantined when I first got her. These 2 are okay, so it's just not practical to have 3 separate syringes or a syringe for each and every bird that I'm feeding. I don't know whether you can hear that noise from the cockatiel. It really does grate on you after a while. Yeah, I know. And like the finch, you can see their crop, so you know how full their crop is. And with the cockatiel, it's the same kind of thing. They've got a crop down here, and you can have a little feel down here to see how full it is, because they're greedy, and you don't want to overfill their crop. Yeah, quieting down now, aren't you? What about you, little fella? Do you want some more? You want some more? Oh, no. Yeah? You want some? Oh. Yes, there you go. Mm. Mm. There you go. How's that then? You full yet? You're getting pretty tight there, mate. Getting pretty tight. So I just thought I'd make a little video of feeding the 3 little babs that I have at the moment. Yeah. Oh. Messy eater. A lot of the food has dried up on the feathers around the mouth. But that's okay later on when she starts taking her own bath. Or I can just soak this and get it off. It's not really a problem at all. You finished? We all finished? That's you done, mate. You are packed out. Yes, I know. So, here we have. Right? Had. Little baby finch, baby cockatiel, and the baby bulbul, which has flown off. Hope you enjoyed that. They did, didn't you? Hey? And you did. Hey, in you go.